Good afternoon, everybody, and welcome back. If you watched the previous episodes, you saw that we rebuilt those carburetors on that Yamaha XS850, and now I have them installed, and we're going to see what happens. So let's take a look at the bike a little bit before we try to get into anything, shall we? Okay, so here we are. Here is the bike. I ended up taking the fuel tank cap off because I'm having some issues with the new one fitting, but I have the carburetors on here. They basically just slipped back on here. I haven't put the boots on this side yet. The boots are kind of popped back in here because I don't even know if it's going to work or not. And I made sure to put some inline fuel filters in it because I don't know. I cleaned this tank out with vinegar, and it did get a lot of the rust out, but I don't know that it got 100% of it out. So I just wanted to kind of preface it with that. So we're going to try to give it a start, and we're going to see what happens. Okay, everybody, so here's the bike right here. I don't know if the battery is going to be strong enough because it's not the right battery for it. It was one that I had for a different motorcycle, but if it doesn't work, I also have a jumper box back here that we can use. I'm going to try this on full choke. The fuel filters are filled with gas, which is a good sign. And I'm going to put it on full choke just because it's April 1st here in Indiana, but guess what? It's snowing, and snowing pretty good. So it's kind of cold. So we're going to see what happens and see if we can't get this to pop off or not. I'm going to click the ignition on. I'm going to make sure that it's on run. Full choke. Ooh, did you hear that, guys? Oh, it popped off. Let's see if we can't get it going a little bit better. Woohoo! One more time. Let's see if we can't. It's starting up, but it's not idling. Maybe it's just too cold. I don't know if you can hear me, it's so loud. It's got no exhaust tips on it. Exhaust tips are missing, but it is running. See if I can flip this over. Oh, it won't let me. Right, maybe that's it. So it's definitely running. It's still on full choke. So, try to put it on half the choke. Nothing like half the choke. Let it warm up for a second. Not really smoking too bad. Get out of here really quick. So loud. Yeah, it's not really smoking so bad, but it runs, guys. That was just setting the fuel mixture and everything just like we had it when we were taking it off, we counted the turns and everything. So of course these carburetors still need to be set and synced. I do have a set of gauges, but it's just too cold out here right now. But yeah, guys, it's running. There we have it, guys. The carburetor rebuild was a success. Awesome. Still needs a little bit of work. Have to put some gauges on it, set and sync the carbs, but we are getting one step closer. So great. If you liked what you saw, please, I encourage you to click that like, click that subscribe. Let me know that I'm doing a good job here, okay? I'm just faking it until I make it as far as trying to get these bikes going. But you can tell by the smile on my face that I'm definitely enjoying it. So I don't know what we're going to do on the next episode. We'll see. Maybe it's going to be synchronizing the carburetors. You know what? Why don't you pop something below? Pop something in the comments below. Let me know what you would like to see next me do on this bike. I have a few things that I have to do yet, so we have a little bit to choose from. I have to put a new ignition in it, which is sitting up on that shelf back there. I have to put a new gas cap on it, and I have to put new exhaust tips on it, and I have to synchronize the carburetor. So yeah, we have quite a few jobs yet that we have to do on it. So why don't you let me know? You can see the steam coming out of my mouth because it's so cold out here. I cannot believe that it's snowing on in April here in Indiana. I guess this is the perfect April Fool's joke, right? So until then, guys, I really hope that you like what you saw, and stay safe out there, and stay tuned for more videos.